Welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to cover the line command. Lines are two points that have a series of infinite points between them. Lines have two variables. Those are the length and the angle. Line command is the first button on our ribbon on the home palette. Specify first point, that's where the line starts from. So if I'm creating geometry from scratch, I can pretty much pick that anywhere I'd like. Now, as I move my mouse, AutoCAD will snap in to my polar coordinates, and I can simply move my mouse in a direction. Let's say I wanted to draw a 6-inch line at 0 degrees or straight to the right. I type in 6 and hit enter, and now I have a 6-inch line. I can then move my mouse in any direction I like and draw another line. So let's say I wanted to draw a 4-inch line with an angle of 45 degrees. I can move my mouse and get close. The problem is I'm not locked exactly in. So I'm going to hit the tab button to get to my angle, type in 45, hit tab again, and then enter. And now I've got a line at 45 degrees. Now I can type in 4 and let's say 90. And then I can continue to draw in my lines. One trick, if I want this line that I'm currently drawing to line up with the left end of this line here, my first line, I can hover this point. Now this is important. I'm not selecting anything. I'm putting my cursor over the left end of that line and I'm letting it sit there. I call it hovering. So I'm going to hover that point, let it sit for a second or two, and now I'm going to move my mouse relatively straight up. And see, I get that green vertical line. That tells me that I am snapped in to the end point. Now it's going to click to horizontal. So I have a vertical green hidden line and a horizontal green hidden line. And that tells me that when I complete this, that those 2 points are indeed vertical from each other. So there's all kinds of different things I can do with lines, but that's just kind of a generic intro into the line command. Thanks, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.